Yo, what's up guys, welcome to another Mr. Blue Guy video. And in today's video, you might realise I turned into a kitty. Yay! Anyways, in today's video, we're gonna be making mechs. We're gonna be making the fastest mech. Trying. Alright, so the first thing that people do to make a mech is they usually get like a bag. And I need a goop. One, two. Probably told me the goop glitched out. Oh, the goop glitched out, yeah. So the thing that I see people do with mechs is they put like goop on top of there, then they get like a cardboard box. They get one of these cardboard box and they just like stick it there. Or I think I need the box somewhere else. So if I get it now and we put it. Okay, this is good. This is good. So now that we got that done, we need to make it the fastest mech. So we need to use these bags to make arms. Okay, this is good. This is a good arm. And then the thing that we need here is, so the thing that we'll put on this arm, because it doesn't really need Hulk fist, because it's not a mech that will damage. We're going to put on rockets. Oh shoot. Okay, but something that. Okay, so yeah, put that there. Okay, so we're putting that here. And while we're doing that, I was also thinking, oh, that this will be good, because you see where that hole was? I was thinking about putting that there. So let me get. Okay, yeah, you put. Okay, so this is good, but unfortunately, I don't think we need to use rockets because it's kind of like goop wasting. Goop saving. No longer goop saving. It's goop wasting. Just kidding. That was a bad joke. So the thing that we will use, guys, to make it pretty fast is, let's have like an experiment with some. Oh, we can put this on. Oh, okay. So what we're gonna do, my plan, is we're gonna grab this. Okay, so we'll put this here. So now, if I use the test arm, it'll do this plus this. When I lift it up, it kind of does that motion. Okay. It's awesome. So guys, the other thing that we probably need to do is... Oh, it's because it was the wrong way. Oh wait, this is pretty fast, if you ask me. So I'm going to put that here. And it's basically going to be no other arm. But the thing that we are going to add is we're going to put on a umbrella. Oh, wait. Okay, something that I else just realised is heart guns. It's like this item. Right. Okay. So guys, there's like this item, and its name is the heart gun. And to be honest, it's just so overpowered. Where is it? Oh, where is it? This heart gun is so overpowered. So they just looks like a normal gun until I realise. Wait, was that the arm? Hold on, guys. I still have to have like a quest to get it. I'm not sure where it went. Is that it? Oh, what is this? Is this leather? Oh! I know what that is. Should I think so? I speed it into this. So. Okay, guys, we'll be right back when I rebuild it. Okay, guys, we're back. I just did some of the upgrades to this arm, so let's have a look at it. Has to be fast. I see potential. Okay. Okay, so we're back here, and the thing that we need to do, I realised, is add another heart gun. Because 2 heart guns equals 2 points, is it? Alright, now this is just insane. I need to stop here. Oh. I need to go. Okay. Let's go back here. No. Let's all go down here. Whee! Okay. That's good. Now let's reach that. Oh my goodness! Oh my golly gosh! Ah! Oh my golly gosh! OMG! So guys, go down here. I think it has to be the fastest map. Like, look how far it can go. But the thing that I'm wondering, this might break the game. This might break the game, but I'm wondering, can we add another heart gun? Because that went really fast. And we have to make it the fastest mech ever in this game. So now it's down. Oh! Oh, let's see. Oh! Oh, and now when you spam, alright, when you spam it just returns. Oh, when it's fully charged. Oh, shoot! No. Over the speed barrier of this game. So, guys, start a time. Guys. So basically, start a timer right now. Okay, how long was that? I'm not sure because I haven't edited this video. What is that? Hold on. Guys, I think you I remember like Apollo's video where they said like, basically like one of those doors could be like a dinosaur map. Maybe that might be like the door that he was talking about, or is this just an OG map? Because I think there probably could be like some map there. Hold on. So guys, anyways. This is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. On the road to 50 subscribers. So yeah, see ya.